Hello guys and welcome to the Wise Ways channel. In today's episode you will watch all kinds of encounters that drivers recorded on dashcam. All clips used in this episode are for educational purposes only. Crazy wreck happened right in front of this driver. When driver failed to notice that traffic in front of him stopped, and he caused chain accident. Luckily, everyone was okay. White car driver gets T-boned after running a red light.
No, mate, no!
An idiot.
Wow!
Oh, we just watched the crash happen. On dashcam. On dashcam, and he's leaking fluid.
After getting into accident, this driver tried to run, but he didn't succeed since his vehicle was way too damaged to drive.
Get his fucking plate.
There's a car accident and this guy is trying to get away. We have
Let's see some close calls from famous intersection where accidents happen on daily occasions.
If you make me miss the light, I'm going to be really pissed. And he's making a right turn! I thought he was...
Good God.
Pickup truck driver lost some hay bale on the road, which almost caused several drivers to go off-road.
first, and don't forget to compilation if you love to solve mysteries. Please don't cheat by reading the comment first, and don't forget to compilation if you love to solve mysteries. Thanks for stopping by. If you can solve this mystery question...
Holy, you are an idiot. Trying to cut through. That's hilarious. Oh shit, alright.
Check out these two next videos where truck drivers forcefully switch lanes.
Damn, no. Oh, damn.
Bro, Jesus Christ. You kidding me? Oh my God.
What the?
That is fair, yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Should I offer the footage? If you would like to.
What's that?
What the hell?
If you're gonna ride your Jeep fast, make sure your soft top is properly attached. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.